Next, we are going to implement the edit customer feature that allows the admin users to update information of a specific customer in the backend of our bookstore website. And this is the task list. First, we need to create the edit customer Servlet class that handles requests to edit a customer from the admin user. And then we need to update the customer form page to display the details of the customer selected to be updated. And then we create a update a customer Servlet class to save the customer details into the database. And of course, we need to update the customer services class accordingly. Let's review the user interface design for the customer form in edit mode. You see, when the admin user click the edit hyperlink next to customer here, the edit customer form appears like this. All the details are filled and all the fields are required. When the admin user clicks save button,